For this product's 3D interactive instructions, download the free BILT app from the App Store or Google Play. An iPad displays a BILT product overview page showing how many people, how much time, and how many steps the project entails. Users begin with the end in mind and review what tools are required and what parts are included. The instructions proceed step by step with voice and text guidance. BILT offers play-pause control so users can work at their own pace. The animated 3D images show how each part fits together in the assembly or installation. This video is merely a preview of the first few steps of the BILT instructions, meant as an interactivity demonstration only. Within the BILT app, users can interact with the 3D images on a touchscreen to control the angle, perspective, and size of the animation. For the fully interactive experience, download BILT. A woman using BILT on an iPad drags her finger across the screen, rotating the image. Pinch to zoom. She enlarges the image and taps on a part for details. For 3D interactive instructions, download BILT on a mobile device.